Welcome to the Jail Hindu Texan Night. The podcast deals with the early life of yours truly. This episode deals with an argument I had with my father. So let's tone down what was from before. Jamie will do the acting for me. Here we go. Come on in, boy. I need everybody else to step aside, please. Daddy? Something's eating you, boy. What's going on? How could you? How could you do that? How could I do what? Library of Congress? I get sandwiched in between Charlie Nation, Holly Hawthorne. Holly Hawthorne, what's she looking for? Princess Diana in her latest styles. Charlie Nation, totally blind. Looking for some mysterious porn site. What's wrong with that, boy? What's wrong with that? What's wrong is I got in trouble, Dad. No. You didn't get in trouble. You didn't get in trouble. Nothing went wrong. What is this? Just trying to make a man out of you, boy. Come on. Oh, I see. I see very well how it is, Dad. Very well. If you didn't set me up, Dad, who did? What makes you think it's anybody? What makes you think that you didn't sit beside him? I could have sat with a variety of friends. I could have sat with Bill Hume. I could have sat with Walt Merrill. What's so special about them? Bill Hume ain't an intern, son. He's just staying with me, learn the insides of D.C. so he can run for Congress. And Walt Merrill? Merrill oil, straight and narrow. Interesting that you want to meet with him and possibly cut a deal with him. What's the problem with that, Dad, huh? What's the problem? What's going on here in your mind that you just got to set me up? I didn't set you up. Why don't you just say the word, son? Now, say the word. We're going to fight. Okay? So you want me to say the word. Why, huh? I gave you $18 million. Hoping that maybe you'll say the word. GTH? Gee, Dad. Why? Why are you that way, huh? I agreed to go on this internship, Dad, because I looked up to you. And I let you down. Well, can't say that I'm surprised. I asked you to please try to be ruthless. You can't expect me to bow down and say I'm sorry. Dad, how about a little respect, huh? How about a little respect? Why are you so determined for me to say those three words that I don't want to say to you? Because it'll prove to me that you're a man. You know what? All this whole time, 2 weeks I've been working with you. Many times I wanted to say the words. Then just say it. No. No. I refuse. What? Boy, I raised you better than that. And you know that. What? You don't feel sorry for you because you're sickly? Not likely to make it to 30? What you been hearing, Granddad, huh? I did what Granddad said. I did what you said. Trying to make you a real man, boy. Your granddad raised you to be a gentleman. Well, guess what? A gentleman ain't gonna make it in this economy, boy. I need you to be a real man. Say the words. No. Dad, not this time. No. I've thought about it millions of times, Dad. I'm not gonna say them. I'm not gonna give you the pleasure. You want to see them, but you won't. I didn't set you up. Someone else did. And don't worry, I'll find out who it is. You're my son. That's all that matters. I guess you're more of a man than I thought you were. Come here. Congratulations. I'm sorry if I hurt you. I'm sorry I let you down. Well, I hope you enjoy listening to J.R. Hendrick Texas Night. If you like what you hear, please subscribe. Become a part of the adventure. It's J.R. Hendrick saying until next time, get ready for the rest of this story.